Hi, it's Laura. I hope you're having a great day. I just got a really nice surprise and I wanted to share it. So I got this package. I was out running errands. This was here when I arrived, and I do know what's in here. I ordered a special piece of jewelry from a friend of mine who's a jewelry maker, and she has this great line of jewelry based around Zodiac symbols. And when it came time for mine, which is Virgo, I just had to order. So that's what I did. And I'm going to open it up and take a look. I've seen a little preview that she posted, but I haven't seen the actual piece. So I'm super excited. Oh, it's in this beautiful pouch. Yeah, here it is. Oh, wow. It's really big. Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh my God. I love chunky bracelets, but I usually can't wear them because I have such tiny wrists. But this is with a memory wire. All right, let's pop this baby on. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. And it's just conforming right to my size exactly. It's so pretty. It's got charms. Virgo. Little, I asked to put little maple leaves. So she made this one custom based on her Virgo line. It's got a little Zodiac charm. Oh, it's so lovely. And then her logo is on this very last charm, the Dragonfly. So her line is custom jewelry by Laurita Brito, and I'll have the information down. Seek your own Camino, Dragonfly Spirit. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my God. Wow. All the different stones in here. That's amazing. So she told me it's citrine and carnelian. And the green is, I think it's in here, moss agate. So the green stones, and there's a lot of variation in that color of green. Those are all moss agates. And then the gold-plated charms, citrine and carnelian. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Laura. I love it. All right. Just had to share with everyone. Look at that. Boom. It's my wrist. Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.